Well, I broke your meal. Don't eat me. You don't do that. No. I don't do it. Two grand not you don't even want man. I mean, if you don't have to find it, then now my end part. I find it not it. And it's it. Bro, I'm not doing this. Well, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Too many if we're no, bro, I'm mad. I don't need to hide it. It's okay. Don't ask me for a hand in my bathroom. Here. If you're not looking at my face, no, I hope that your daddy then you know, anyway, all for you or now I